going to run through a video on how to use the flush valve for the black tank, and it should be really quick. I know my hose, I got a white hose. I've sacrificed it for the good of the clean out. I made a mistake and forgot one weekend, so I kind of had to sacrifice it when we got all done, and so it is now my clean out hose. But how you operate it is just this valve. It's just on off, and it shoots straight into the black tank. I usually run it for maybe a minute or two and then shut it off, and it'll drain out. And then once it runs kind of clear, I'll hit it again, maybe another minute or two just to see how it's going, shut it off. You definitely want the anti-siphon valve. It comes with the elbow. And then something else I do when I get all the way done, I'll take it off and I'll put the actual hose cap on the end, and I'll stretch this all the way out and fill it up with water. That way, if anything got stuck in the folds on the way out, it'll help get all that stuff off the sidewalls of the hose itself. And I will fill this tube up all the way, probably twice. And the other end's got a clear elbow, so you can definitely tell what's going on the other end. And then I will just take it back off and unpack everything. It's just a twist valve, or a twist coupler. Pretty simple. It's one little piece. It's not bad at all. And then I just cap everything, put it back in my box. I've got a special box just for my black stuff. Definitely gloves. Even for this demonstration, I know all my stuff's clean, but I just want to make sure that I'm not going to get something. And then we did buy a vented cap. It's kind of nice. It's got bugs in it right now, I don't know. But it does help keep everything from getting, I don't know, steamed up or whatever in there. And it does help drain just a little bit of stuff out. Everything's usually, I would say everything's going to be clean before I even would think about putting this on. I would flush everything a couple times and then just make sure both valves are open, and it should drain right out. Thanks. Hey, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more how-to videos with our camper and all the family fun we have planned. Hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks.